In this session we are going to discuss VPC security. So basically the VPC security can be enabled by using NACL and security group. So this is the dashboard. So to get it, we have to sign into AWS Management Console, then click on Virtual Private Cloud Service from the Network and Content Delivery Service, and in the left hand panel we can see Network Access Control List and Security Group. So click NACL. So you can create NACL or we can use the by default NACL available here. So these are the Network Access Control List already created, or we can create our own NACL. So my SCL1, let's say, then you have to select the VPC. So my VPC1, this is the VPC in the last class we have created. So let's say we are going to provide some network access control list to this particular VPC. So this is the network access control list. There we can edit the inbound rules. We can add new rule. So let's say for all traffic and sources 0.0.0.0/0. That means we are making it public, and save changes. So let's say rule number 1. So save changes. So in this way we can edit the inbound rule, and whenever we are going to configure any of the web services and we are associating NACL to that web service like EC2 web server, whenever we are going to configure and we are attaching NACL to that web server, the inbound traffic is going to be attached to that particular EC2 service. Similarly, you can have security group. So these are the already created security groups, or we can create our own security group from that. Right. VPC also you can create, and after creation of VPC, the new VPC is listed over here. Already I have created my VPC1, and we can associate security group to the VPC.